At JKSHIM Institute of Management, I realized early on that an MBA isn't something you just study, it's something you experience.
Our expert sessions with professionals from the US, Japan and Sharjah didn't just give us lectures, they changed how we approach problems. We learned to analyze like strategists, not students.
These collaborations actually become our assignments. Instead of writing theory, we take up real business issues from partner companies and solve them like consultants.
And when alumni walk in as evaluators, it feels like a real review meeting. They help us understand what works in the industry, what doesn't, and how to improve ourselves before facing the recruiters.
Working in the Bloomberg Terminal Lab sharpened our decision making. You learn to read data, react quickly, and think like someone on an actual trading desk.
The professional growth and individual development activities made us rethink leadership. Events, deadlines, pressure. It's a crash course in managing teams and delivering under real expectations with mentors guiding you through the chaos.
Your learning is not just content, it's practice. We learn by doing, by debating, by working with experts, and that changes how we think.
This isn't just an MBA. This is where industry, experts, and ideas come together and where we turn that into an opportunity.
Apply now for the MBA at JKSHIM Institute of Management, Nitte.